It's rare to find an investment opportunity that has the potential to change our lives as much as the cell phone did. But in just a few short years, nearly every city in America will become home to another revolutionary technology. And you might already be a part of it. Today, I'm going to tell you about this exploding tech trend and a few of the companies leading its charge into the future. After watching this, you can click on the link in the description to find our 3 free stock recommendations. These are the companies driving this industry's growth forward. They are building new factories and ramping up sales by the millions. That's why this story has the power to make you a lot of money. Believe it or not, this revolutionary sector is one that you know well, the automotive industry. For the last 100 years, the auto industry has been relatively stagnant. Cars have become more efficient, but the core design is based on the same combustion engine. That's like the difference between a rotary phone from the 1920s and a home phone from the 2000s. Same idea, but a flashier look. Well, just as the cell phone shook the telecom world, electric vehicles have rocked the automotive industry. Environmental concerns and rising gas prices have increased demand for these vehicles, which has led to staggering growth. In recent years, electric vehicles have become the #1 focus in the automotive industry. Not many sectors can brag about growing 57% globally in 2018 alone. Electric vehicles can claim just that. And it should continue too, as automakers are investing over $300 billion into developing electric vehicles over the next 10 years. These aren't concept cars or boutique companies. There are automotive giants with even bigger pockets driving this industry now. It really got started when Tesla released the Model S in 2012 and proved that a mass market for these cars exists. There was a mad rush to the front of the line to be among the first to own this revolutionary car. It didn't take long for Tesla to start to crack under the pressure, however. The company has endured countless setbacks, budgetary issues, and the occasional battery fire, which, in all fairness to Tesla, they did take steps to prevent. Now, the old guard of the auto industry are jumping into the ring, and all of them are working on adding electric vehicles to their lineup. Household names like Ford, GM, Volkswagen, Toyota, and Chevrolet are all working on or have already released their own models. In 2018, there were over 143 different models available for sale. That's almost a 40% increase from 2017. Bloomberg reported 2 million electric vehicles sold in 2018, and they anticipate 10 million sold in 2025. That's a 500% increase in just a few years. In fact, by 2040, over 30% of passenger cars around the world will be electric. It isn't just consumers buying them either. Companies large and small are switching their fleets to electric cars. Just recently, Amazon made the single largest order of electric vehicles in history. It's buying 100,000 electric delivery vans from the startup company Rivian. This is all part of Amazon's big plan to produce net zero emissions by 2040, which means even more electric vehicles being purchased in the near future. So, why does this matter to you? The best part of the electric vehicle trend, whether you buy one of these cars or not, is how you can turn it to your advantage. If you invest in some of the leading companies for electric vehicles now, you could reap the benefits for decades to come. Right now, Tesla's countless obstacles have pushed the company out of favor with many investors and analysts. So here at Money Morning, we are looking to the next big names. We scoured the competition to find 3 companies investing billions into electric vehicles. That will mean years of increasing sales for them later. Now is your chance to invest in the next leaders of the pack. We put together a deep dive article that lays out the top investment opportunities in the industry. Click the link in the description to learn about 3 of our favorite electric vehicle companies for free. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.